If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google account lock security feature on an Android device. That's something that Google enabled back in Android 5, where when the device is factory reset without first removing the account that's on it, it's then going to ask for that account again as a security measure after the factory reset is done. And you can't get into the phone or the tablet to use it again until that information is entered or the lock is taken off. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Motorola Moto G6 Play. So this device is actually originally from Verizon here in the US, and this is one that does have the Google account lock enabled. As we can see here on the screen, as we're going through the setup wizard, we get to the screen that says that it was reset, and to continue we need the specific Google account that was previously on the device. But we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to bypass that lock on the device itself, and that is actually something where we've done 99% of the work already. You can see that the phone powered off when I just unplugged it from the cable, so now all we need to do is restart it once, and we should be able to see that we can get all the way through that setup wizard without having to enter in those Google account credentials. So we'll just give it a second here to let it load up and do all of its thing. When it comes to the Google account lock, we've had a lot of clients contact us over the years because they got locked out of their own device and didn't know their login information or couldn't reset their password or what may be it. Or the other thing is that unfortunately there are a lot of dishonest sellers out there these days who will sell a device that has the lock enabled and the buyer doesn't know about it. So then when they go to buy the phone, they see that they can't get in because that lock is enabled. Now obviously you can see here as the phone has restarted, it's gone straight to the home screen, bypassing the setup wizard completely. So as you can obviously see, we did that all without typing in any email or any account information. It's all just done with our computer programs and tools. I'll go ahead and jump into the settings here for just a second to show you exactly what we're working with, just so you can see what device it is. And okay, so in the About section here, we can see that we are indeed working with a G6 Play. Moto G6 Play is what they call this. And then if we go under hardware information, we'll be able to see the exact model number, although Motorola here has it listed as a SKU. But this specific device is the XT1922-6. So that's the specific model number that this is about, but it's likely that our procedure will also work for pretty much any version of the Motorola G6. So if you have a G6 and would like to get it removed from the Google account lock, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide here at the end of the video that has all the information there as well. Make sure to check out all the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.